Hello, this is Layman's reaction to the Texas Tornadoes. The song is 96 Tears. You may have heard Question Mark and the Mysterians sing its song. One of the other titles that you may have heard is Too Many Teardrops. But anyways, this is a cool song. So let's listen.
I'm getting ready for 96 Tears.
Too many teardrops for one heart to be crying. Too many teardrops for one heart to carry on. Baby, way on top now. Well, I'm down below. Well, we'll be together in just a little while. Yes, you're gonna cry 96 tears. 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 Hey! Too many teardrops for one heart.
I think it's great. They're showing some of the band members kind of close up doing their thing, and him while he's singing this, and when he's not, he's just doing his moves, man. Yeah, a lot of fun.
Too many teardrops for one heart to be crying. Too many teardrops for one heart to carry on. Baby, way on top now. I'm down and below. Yes, we'll be together in just a little while. Yes, you're gonna cry 96 tears. 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 Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna cry 96 tears. Yeah, you're gonna cry.
I didn't expect him to go off and pick up a guitar and play, but that was kind of neat. And then he had to hurry back, put it down and hurry back so he could start singing again.
Cry 96 tears, yes, you're gonna 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 cry 96 tears again. You're gonna cry. Oh, 96 tears. You're gonna cry. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you for the Texas Tornadoes. We love you.
Good night. God bless y'all.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being so beautiful.
Do you love these guys? Freddy Fender, Flaco Jiménez, Augie Meyers.
Ay, ay, ay.
I see a hole in the wall up there. Hey, Squiddo.
That was fun. I like that. And they were having fun. So, yeah. This was kind of interesting because they relied heavily on the instrumental sections that they used throughout the song. Well, it was about 6 minutes. So, a lot of instrument stuff with no singing, and then of course he was doing a nice job of singing this. The vocals were good. I like that. So just a fun performance. I ran across something. I'm going to attack it on the end. Hope you like it. Okay, same song, but it's got Batman. Just a little bit.
Too many teardrops for one heart to be crying. Too many teardrops for one heart to carry on. You're way on top now.
Okay, that's enough. I'll put the link in there. When I was looking this up, I ran across this with Batman. I like this. Both of them. I thought they were great. Hope you all liked them. Feel free to comment, subscribe, hit that like button.